guys ready to go camping?
Yeah! Dad, there's mosquitoes!
Roll the window up. Roll the window up. They're getting in the truck. Well, we got here.
Oh, the mosquito might bit me.
Yeah, we already got bit by mosquitoes. There's the stream over there. We're gonna go try and catch a fish, probably just a carp.
I just said it.
Is something tugging on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, reel it in.
It's my fishing pole. No, that's mine.
Well, we're gonna put our fire here. We cleared out some grass, didn't we, Austin? Should we dig down now? We'll dig a little fire pit.
We gotta dig a big hole.
What do you think, Benny? You think it's deep enough?
Dinner time.
Should we light a fire now?
Yeah.
And then we can cook hot dogs. Gotta drink lots of cold water. Should we check the fishing pole? Let's check to see if there's a fish on it. No, no fish.
Oh.
That's too bad. Lots of water, lots of cold water, Ben. Good job. Austin's turn.
Hey, bugs. These bugs keep getting me.
Got some firewood.
No
Let's start a
more.
fire. All right. Gonna use one match. Who's hungry?
Me.
Okay, boys.
I'm coming.
Good job.
Daddy, get down the truck.
Okay.
Oh, there's a truck over there.
There's a road. Should we go over there?
Yeah, let's get a truck and go there and go up there.
Sounds good. Lots of crickets. What are we doing, Benny?
We're looking for a zigzag.
No, we're looking for sheds. Lots of bugs, aren't there, Benny?
I got one.
Are you swatting at them?
Yeah.
Very good. You swatting bugs?
I got one.
You're a good bug swatter.
I got one.
Hi, boys. What's going on in this tent? Hey! And you? What are you doing in here? You guys are crazy.
Thank you for that. Thank you, Christmas.
Your turn, Ben. Say your prayer.
Cricket for mommy and Christmas.
Okay, boys. Night-night. See you tomorrow. Morning, boys. Did you boys hear the coyotes last night?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you hear them, Benny? There were a lot of coyotes last night. Lots of coyotes, lots of pheasants, and lots of mosquitoes.
Mosquito come and get you.
You hiding from the mosquitoes?
There's one mosquito on here.
Well, let's take the tent down and then we'll leave and go fishing.
And catch a fish.
That's right. All right, boys, should we get going? Got the campsite all cleaned up. Benny saw that deer. Good job, Benny. Ben, you saw that deer before any of us saw it. You're getting good. Bless you. These weeds are as tall as the hood of the truck. Here come the pelicans. They're flying right overhead. It's over here. Is it a bee or a mosquito? They're just mosquitoes.
Yeah.
Going back to the truck. We didn't find any buffalo bones, did we, Benny? No, didn't see any. It's an antelope, that's not a deer. What are you doing there? Are we eating sandwiches before we fish?
Yeah.
Right by the river. We're gonna see if we can catch some big fish today. We're fishing? Are you playing with the worms, Benny?
Oh, I almost got in the river.
Almost fell in, huh? Keep reeling. Oh, nothing. Oh,
I got it.
reeling.
Oh, I got a fish.
Keep reeling.
Oh, yay.
Okay, lift it out. Wow, bring it over here. Bring it to the shore. Nice job, Austin. You caught a goldeye. It's a goldeneye. Hi, Benny. You want to hold him?
Yeah. Got him. Let him go, Daddy.
I'm letting him recover. Yep, there he goes. Say bye, fish. Okay, reel it in, Ben. Pull hard, Ben.
Back, forth, back and forth. It's too hard, Daddy. Come here, okay? Easy.
Want to hold him?
No.
Want to hold him, Austin?
Yeah.
There you go. Say cheese.
Cheese.
There he goes. Keep reeling.
I got it. Oh, come on.
Good job, Austin. Okay, lift it up now. Hey, bring it over here. That's a good one. Nice. Here he is.
Yeah, we can.
Austin caught that one. You want to hold him?
No.
He's a big one, isn't he? Best of luck, Frank. It was good meeting you.
Okay, buddy. You too, Jacob. Take care.
His name is Frank. He built that canoe and put in at Three Forks 8 days ago, and he's going to float the entire Missouri all the way down to St. Louis.
Oh, come on.
Keep reeling. Okay, now lift it up and bring it to shore. Swing it over here. Good job, Austin.
I caught the fish, Daddy.
Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Good. Did you go home?
Yeah.
Bye, river.
Bye, river.
Bye, fish.
Bye, fish. Lots of animals out here.
There are. A lot of grapes.